Hello student, welcome to our civics class. From last video we starting the lesson number 2, preamble to the constitution. In last lesson we started the lesson preamble to the constitution. Completed first point, sovereign state. Next second point is socialist state. Socialist state is such state where the gap between the rich and the poor is minimum. What is meant by socialist state? The socialist state is such a state where the gap between rich and poor is minimum. Where the gap between rich and poor is minimum. All have right all over wealth of country. All have a right over the wealth of the country. It is ensured that wealth is not concentrated in the hands of few people. Wealth is not concentrated in the hands of few people. Our next point, third point is secular state. The preamble states secularism as one of our goals. In secular state, all religions are considered as equal. In this secular state, all religions are considered as equal. No one religion is considered to be the state religion. No one particular religion is considered to be state religion. The citizens are free to follow their own religions. State cannot discriminate among citizens on the basis of religion. State cannot discriminate among citizens on the basis of religion. Do you know, we have endeavored to preserve the multi-religious nature of our society. We cannot exercise the rights given to us by our constitution in an unrestrained manner. The same is true of religious freedom as well. Whenever we celebrate our festival, we are required to be concerned about public cleanliness, health and environment. Our fourth point is democratic state. In a democracy, the sovereign power is in the hands of the people. In democracy, sovereign power is in the hands of the people. Government makes decisions and draws up policies in keeping with the people's wishes. Government has to take important financial, social and other decisions to promote common welfare. Government has to take important financial, social and other decisions to promote common welfare. All the people are not able to come together and take such decision on day-to-day basis. All the people are not able to come together and take such decision on day-to-day basis. Therefore, elections are conducted after a fixed period when voters elect their representative. When voters select their representative. These representatives sit in the institutions created by the constitution, like the parliament or legislature and the executive. They take decision for the entire population as per the procedure laid down by the constitution. Fifth point is republic. Along with being a democracy, we are republic. Along with being a democracy, we are republic. All public position in a republic are elected by the people. Elected by people. Public position is occupied on the basis of hereditary succession. The position like the president, the prime minister, the governor, the chief minister, the mayor, the sarpanch, etc. are public position. An Indian citizen fulfilling the prescribed age criterion can get himself, herself elected to any of this position. In the monarchy, this position may be occupied by members of single family, following the principle of heredity. The preamble has guaranteed the Indian citizen the three values of justice, liberty and equality. It has joined up upon the Indian citizen to practice these values and make laws in keeping with these values. Let us understand these values. Here some point discuss. Read what Deepa has written the topic My Family. Read the Deepa has written on the topic My Family. Democracy does not only imply means show. The democracy does not only imply election. My parents do all household work together. We also participate in it. We ensure that we talk cordially with each other. Cordially means heartily talk to each other. Even if we happen to fight, we try to listen to each other's views by stopping the fight as soon as possible. If any change has to be made, even the grandparents are consulted. Anuja wants to take agriculture research as her career. Her decision was appreciated by everybody. Her decision was appreciated by everybody. Do you think that Deepa's house function in the democratic way? Which features of democracy can be found in this passage?